I already installed the 034 rear sway bar. Now I want to have an upgraded front one, but I learned you guys don't sell the front one by itself. Any recommendations? Yeah, if this is who I was just talking to. So, for the B9 specifically, we offer a rear bar only. And then we offer a full kit with front and rear bar. The rear bars between those two are different. The rear only is smaller than the one that comes in the kit, which is bigger to help offset the the roll dynamic of the adding a bigger front bar. So if you want to upgrade to the front bar, we would want you to get the bigger rear bar as well. So I recommend buying the full kit, and then you'll get the front bar and the new bigger rear bar as well. And then you'd have some options to play with too. You could try putting the smaller rear bar in, which you would want to do. But yeah, that's the option. For the B8,
they're not the same bar.
No, they're not the same bar. For the B8, we offered a rear bar only for a long time, like 10 years or something. And then we added a front bar to it. So it's the rear bar or you add the front bar, but the front bar is balanced to the rear bar. For the B9, we made the front bar what it needed to be, and then we balanced the rear bar to the front bar. So they're different. So a little different product strategy on that one.